There's nothing here yet. I can create my own new SLM, that is unlock your full potential SLM with Asissterr powerful features, build a custom SLM tailored to your specific needs. So I can use this one, this page on this AI lab, which is still in the beta state. Of course, this is a test net anyways. So I can create. Hello guys and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing very well today. This is video number 1 for this week and I promise you are going to enjoy this one. So stay with me guys, stay with me. The market has been doing crazy for the past few days and then it's not like we didn't expect it, but it has been doing a crazy amount of number and there are a lot of bloodbath out there guys. But I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're hanging in there. These two shall pass, right? These two shall pass. Whatsoever numbers you are seeing on your dashboard right now or your portfolio right now, trust me, you are not alone. It's essentially the same thing for almost every other person. So guys, hang in there. Today we're going to be talking about Asissterr, and it's a testnet project that I want to bring to you guys to share with you, and you let me know what you think about this project in the comment below. I'm also going to drop a link to join the project in the description below. So guys, join this project. I think they might be up to something. I mean, this is an opportunity for a free airdrop that we all need to be part of, essentially, because actually the market has turned to something, and that's something that we cannot explain deeply past the fact that you just have to follow the trend, right? So if you're seeing our video for the first time, you're welcome to the community. We have loads of videos you will love to see, so stay with us, stay on this video, you will love it. And don't forget again that this video is sponsored by the like button guys. So guys, smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible. So, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So Asissterr has been doing this project that they call the network of specialized AI models and agents. I know we've seen a couple of numbers of projects that has to do with agents, AI agents and AI models, and I don't think this is especially any big difference. I don't see any big difference from this project, but I particularly like the way they approach their own projects. Let's take a look at some of what they have written here and read a bit about the project. They said unlock the power of community-owned AI models, and that's for personal use. And then for the business side, they said revolutionize your business with custom AI models. They said Asissterr empowers businesses to integrate task-specified small language models into their operation. It said this is cost-efficient, scalable AI solution, real-time optimization and automation, seamless integration, and secure system. For the personal use, they said personalized AI. That means you can build personalized AI for yourselves, community-owned AI as well, and then you can also monetize your AI. They've had about 22,998 small SLMs live. It's the same thing as they call it small language models. They say they have 22,000, almost 23,000 small language models live. They have about 3.1 million plus users. People who are definitely going to run to anywhere they see an opportunity for a testnet and then to gain some airdrop. So I'm not really flabbergasted about these numbers. It is what happens in the space, right? Then they went for that and said a mixture of agents. The mixture of agents is the next big thing. Well, everything is the next big thing, right? But they said tailored problem solving. They said users present real world problems to a network of small language models, each specialized in different domains. So, essentially they are bringing in a system that allows us to, design our own models, AI agents that we can use for our own personalized reasons, or you want to use it for your community. And at the same time, they've also created a system for the businesses as well, whereby you can build your own AI agents or your models to suit whatsoever business that you are into. They said it is decentralized and transparent. They also have the marketplace and data market. They They have no code. They said it is a no code creation tool. They said even users without technical expertise can create and deploy AI models using Asissterr no code tools, making AI creations accessible to everyone. They also said it is incentive-driven ecosystem. Asissterr incentivizes collaboration, allowing creators, contributors, and validators to earn rewards for their contribution. So, they go on and on and on and on. And then they said they are backed. Together we are building the future of decentralized AI. We couldn't do it without you. That is the people they are currently working with. Here we have Moon Capital, Swissborg, Outlier Venture, Eugene Layer, Contago. I saw a particular project that I have also discussed about. I think that's OG. They're also with Wise3, X Ventures, so many other people here that they are already partnering with. So I think essentially they might be up to something. So how do you actually join the Asissterr project? All you need to do is to go through the link that I've dropped in the description below, and then you connect your wallet. I think the best wallet you should connect is Solana. It's a Solana chain wallet, and I think Phantom is much preferable in this case. So you connect your Phantom, and then you find yourself on this page. If your page loads very quickly, I think I had a little bit buggy page loading when I started my own because of my reception, but if your reception is top notch, is fine, then you'll find yourself on this page, and then you'll be able to mint your level 1 NFT here. They said it is free. I think I minted it for free, okay, but they said it mint for 0.22 Sol. Then you can also mint another one for 0.7. You can mint another one for 2.2 Sol. That is for the level 3. And if you come down, you will see a place where you can tap. You say take your reward immediately with synthetic token after each task completed. So I clicked on this, and then the timer started. That means in the next 11 hours I'll be able to also get some more coins, or some more what I call their token SaaS. That's what it looks like here. It's small s, a capital A, SRR, and that looks like a SaaS. So you'll be able to gain more SaaS when you actually complete your task. I've been trying to connect my Twitter, and I've been having some problem with that. Let me know if you've been able to do that in the comments below. Let me know your experience with your dashboard. I think it looks very crispy, and I think nice design and all that. But yeah, I've been having a problem with connecting my Twitter account to their system. So then they have this data market. They already have people building on their system. They have Dryer, they have Diffusion, Chainbase, File Market AI, Meta Chain, and so those are the projects rather that they have in there. And then on their AI lab, there is nothing here yet. I can create my own new SLM, that is unlock your full potential SLM with Asissterr powerful features. Build a custom SLM tailored to your specific needs. So I can use this page on this AI lab, which is still in the beta state. Of course, this is a test net anyways, so I can create my own SLM. I think that would be for another day. If you guys want me to do that, let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely surely going to do that. And then we have the store, and then on the store we have, they said, discover a wide range of small language models carefully created for your specific needs. So definitely, I think some people in the community are already creating their own SLM, and they have them on the marketplace here. They have something in the healthcare system, Web3, software, education, finance, crypto, media, phone, and so on and so forth. So I think this is what this project is all about, and they might be surely up to something. This is their socials, this is their Twitter account, and they have large community members, about 426,000 followers already, and they have engaging tweets as well. I think they are as engaging as possible. I personally think their marketing team needs to do more. A bit more, because I think they are up to something here. This looks a bit different from majority of those projects that said they are doing something that has to do with AI. So once again, if you have not joined Asissterr testnet, I'll drop the link in the description below, guys. Go through that link, join my clique, and that would be amazing. If you've watched this video this long, guys, thank you for watching. That is it from me. That's all what Asissterr is all about. I wouldn't want to take much of your time. Thumbs up to you guys for watching this long. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible, and smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. We have loads of content you would love to see, and I will also be talking about I think Monad in the next video. So guys, join this community. Check the description for all our socials and follow us on all these socials. You would love it. You would love it here. So guys, thumbs up to you once again. Big up yourselves. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.